What's up, this is Jimbo with Proje, and this is How To Tuesday. So today's tip is going to be how to clean the inner barrels of your rims. Most people get the exterior or the rim face very, very clean, but what they neglect is the inner barrel of the rim, but it's also a little bit tricky to get to without taking the wheel off completely. So what I'm going to do today is teach you how to clean it using Proje Decon and a barrel brush. Now the barrel brush is a long handle brush that enables you to get inside the barrel without getting your hand completely in there as well. I'm also wearing gloves so that I don't get super dirty. So what you're going to want to do is, another tip is to adjust the sprayer on your cap so that you can get more of a stream versus a spray. So I'm going to adjust it to more of a stream, and then I'm going to spray directly into the barrel of the tire, the rim, and make sure it's well saturated. Now you can do this every time you wash the car or to your frequency of liking. And once I feel like I have it well saturated in there, I'm going to start from the top and work my way to the bottom of the barrel, just rubbing the brush in there. And as you can see, it's nice that it's a long handle barrel brush because my hand is not in there, but the brush is, allowing me to break down that buildup on the inner parts of the rims. It also works well with getting behind the calipers and the braking system. Make sure you're getting that whole barrel clean. And then now I could work my way to the outside of the rim. Again, spraying it down. And I could use the same barrel brush on the outside of the rim as well.